Hey everybody, Steve Albers with Remax Results with your 2-minute tip. Today I'm happy to bring you Comfort Matters Heating and Cooling and their expert home advisor, Shawn Petersen. Thanks for coming, Shawn.
Thanks for having me.
Not a problem. Shawn, we're in the real estate season, so it's time to help some buyers and sellers. Now, traditionally I'll go in and help sellers prepare their home for sale. And part of that is taking an evaluation of the mechanicals. Obviously, I'm not an expert in that, so share with us a little bit about how they determine whether they're going to get a tune-up or if they have to replace a mechanical.
Well, typically if the home is under 10 years old, a tune-up would be in order. Just to get a quick tune-up, get a technician out there to take a look at the furnace and or AC. If it's over 10 years, you may want to take a look at replacement, and that's where I would come in and take a look at reviewing the system and see what makes the most sense to replace. You want to give your buyers the most, the most peace of mind when it comes to the mechanicals of the home, to just relax and make sure that the buying process is simple, smooth, and knowing they're walking into a home that's mechanically sound. And with the utility rebates that are available and some tax credit availability, there's tax credits available for a new system. It makes the buying process of an HVAC system that much easier.
That's great. Okay, so if someone wanted to get a hold of you to assess whether they need a tune-up or a total replacement, how's the best way to get a hold of you?
They can call me directly on my cell phone at 763-710-1201, and I'll get right back to them.
Perfect. Thanks for coming in, buddy.
Thanks for having me.
Well, guys, thanks for coming in for the 2-minute tip. As always, whenever you have questions, it's good to seek counsel from the appropriate expert, whether it be a CPA, attorney, HVAC expert, or real estate expert. If you want to learn a little bit more about Shawn and his services, or if you have any real estate questions, you can reach out to us at stevealbers.com. stevealbers.com, just click on the Contact Us tab, and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for coming in.